Hi guys, this is Melanie with Snowberry Market, and in this video we are going to make a small candle ring using a mini pine wreath base. It's probably about 12 inches, so it's not very big, and it's perfect for using as table decor. You can fit a glass vase, even one from the Dollar Tree, which I show you in this video, in there, and then in that vase you can put anything from a candle, a battery operated candle, some ornaments, just a vase filler that you can get from Dollar Tree, peppermint candies, candy canes, anything fun like that you can put in your vase in the center. So in this, all I'm doing basically is taking my greenery, berries, anything that you would want to use, and I'm cutting them down into small pieces, and I am just hot gluing as I'm trying to disperse them evenly around the wreath form. So I have some flocked greenery that I'm using right now. Like I said, I just cut it into small pieces. And I have a glue skillet over to the side, which I don't know that you can see much in this video of it, but it is just a small electric skillet that I got off Amazon, and I put hot glue sticks in it and melt it. You will want to make sure that you watch that, make sure that you turn it off when it's not in use. I have mine sitting on a ceramic tile that I just got from Lowe's on my table to just keep it off from being directly on the table. So you can also get an actual glue skillet off of Amazon, a Sure Bonder that's actually made for hot glue, which I do have right now, but when I made this video I just had the electric skillet from Amazon. So as you can see in that shot, I evenly dispersed the flocked greenery I had. And then that's pretty much what this whole design is made by doing, is just taking your greenery, berries, anything that you want to use in your design, cutting them into small pieces, and just evenly placing them around the form. So I do use a mix of different types of greenery. So you'll want to make sure that you use some different textures, and even, like I said, some is flocked, some is not. And then I also put the red berries in there for a pop of color. Also, I believe I had some white berries. And also that is some eucalyptus. So it just adds a lot of dimension, textures, interest when you use varying colors and textures and types of greenery in your design. So I'm just cutting that. That is a smaller eucalyptus pick. I'm just cutting that into some smaller pieces as well. It has some white berries on it. So this is a great design that can be used not just for Christmas, but you can leave this out all winter. This would be really cute also if you wanted to put some of the small ornaments in it, maybe some red or white ornaments, especially the small ones you can get for like the little miniature trees. Those would have been really cute in here too. So if you guys make a design like this, that's another option to fill in with. You could make a really whimsical style using peppermints and candy canes. You could also put ribbon in this. I didn't in this particular design, but you could also loop some really cute ribbon around. It is a small base, so I would definitely use a 1.5 inch ribbon or smaller. I would not use a 2.5 inch ribbon for this particular wreath base because it is so small. but it would be really cute with some ribbon in it. I love the classic candy cane red and white designs because those are never going to go out of style. Red and white Christmas decor is always trending. So you can never go wrong with some candy canes. So I'm literally just continuing to place my pieces by hot gluing them in around the wreath. Just make sure that you are getting them tucked down into where they are nestled into some of the pine so that they attach. And you'll notice when I put mine down into that, I kind of wiggle the piece of greenery around, just trying to get it to make sure that it's attaching to the pine base. I wish I could have sped this video up more, but I'm doing this in iMovie and it would only let me speed it up 2 times as fast as it was, so. And this design is super easy, so I don't need to give a lot of instructions here. Like I said, we're literally just cutting the different greenery picks, stems, up into small pieces and hot gluing them around, just trying to make sure we get even placement so that the berries are evenly distributed. They don't look like there's too much in one spot, not any in another. And we're going to do the same thing with those red berry stems. You will notice the red berry stems are very long. So that is a red berry stem that is from Hobby Lobby, and hopefully they have it again this year because it's really pretty with that frosted look. But those are very long stems, so you can cut those down into several pieces per stem and make that go a long way. But it's also a great stem to use for bigger displays. I think I had to go get some more of the eucalyptus is what I went and got. That eucalyptus pick I got from Sims Pottery, so I do order from there quite a bit. They are a wholesale company, so you would need a business tax ID number to order from Sims Pottery. But here we are, cutting those berry stems down. And I just really like that they have like an iced frosted look to them. And they are a fairly reasonably priced stem from Hobby Lobby. And you know, Hobby Lobby right now already has their Christmas at 50% off. So I need to make sure I go to Hobby Lobby this week. I have not been since Christmas went on sale. So you can see there just how cute this is, how simple, how easy, but how cute it really looks when it's all finished with the red and white berries and all the different types of greenery. And as you can tell, this was a Facebook Live that I did probably 2 or 3 years ago when I actually did this video. So that's why I'm talking in the video to everybody on the camera, because it was a Facebook Live. So if you were not on a Facebook Live video doing this, I could have gotten this whole project done in probably 10 to 15 minutes max doing everything on it. It's so easy. So this would be, if you do craft shows, this type of project would be a great item to take to a craft show. They would sell very well, I believe, because you can do them fairly inexpensively. And so you can offer them at a good price. And you could display them with the vase in it so that people could see what it would look like with the vase, with a candle, or, like I said, ornaments, pine cones, anything like that to fill your vase in, and it would make a very cute display piece. So we should be almost done here soon, because the red berries are, I believe, the last item that I put in to the design. Oh, it looks like I'm putting some more of the eucalyptus and white berries in there. There you go, guys. That's what it looked like. Now there's where I put the vase. That is a vase from Dollar Tree. So you can see that it fits nicely in there. You could also get a vase that's a little bit taller than that. So there's our project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.